Today, large multi-shift facilities with significant material handling fleets require a service offering that is different from the norm. Traditional service offerings are built for smaller facilities. Although self-maintenance options are available, facility leaders struggle to implement structured programs due to a stack of competing priorities and labor constraints. Maintenance leaders today have a growing list of priorities that can include hiring, training, and leading others, supporting other facility stakeholders, and more in addition to daily responsibilities. Consequently, this leaves gaps in planned maintenance and compliance, leading to a lack of detail on equipment assets. The result is exposure to liability and risk. And while facility maintenance teams' responsibilities are increasing, they still need total control over their assets. Concentric has a solution. Concentric on-site maintenance technician team has spent the past 2 decades developing customized business processes that are digitized to allow on-site service professionals to transform your facility. Concentric eliminates the service call by using technology to move customers from a reactive maintenance program to a proactive one, including having a dedicated team and part stocking all on-site. Concentric gives control over the cost and safety of your equipment, improving the uptime of one of your largest facility investments. Customers can see up to 20% cost reductions while equipment uptimes rise to more than 98%. After implementing Concentric on-site maintenance, a food and beverage customer doubled pallet throughput per day. On-site maintenance begins with forklifts and other mobile equipment and extends to racking, docks and doors, conveyors, and automation. Talk to a solution engineer today to see how you can accelerate your facility and unlock savings you didn't know possible. Concentric, engineering uptime.